There are various types of living room ideas, each catering to different tastes, lifestyles, and functionality needs. Here are some popular types. 1. Minimalist living room. Features simple furniture, clean lines, and a neutral color palette. Focuses on functionality with minimal decorative items. Creates an open, airy, and clutter-free space. 2. Modern living room. Sleek and contemporary furniture with materials like metal, glass, and leather. Uses bold colors, geometric shapes, and abstract art. Emphasizes technology integration, e.g. a wall-mounted TV or smart lighting. 3. Traditional living room. Rich, classic furniture, often in darker wood tones. Elegant decor such as chandeliers, heavy drapes, and intricate rugs. Warm, inviting, and formal, often with symmetry in layout. 4. Bohemian living room. Features layered textures, patterns, and eclectic furniture pieces. Includes a mix of colors, natural elements, and global influences, e.g. Moroccan rugs, woven baskets. Perfect for those who love a laid-back, artistic, and vibrant space. 5. Scandinavian living room. Light, airy, and functional with minimalist design principles. Typically uses soft neutrals, light wood, and cozy textiles like wool or linen. Focuses on natural light, simplicity, and understated elegance. 6. Rustic or farmhouse living room. Uses natural materials like wood, stone, and leather. Often includes distressed or vintage-style furniture for a lived-in look. Neutral, earthy tones are common, with cozy elements like a fireplace or throw blankets. 7. Industrial living room. Inspired by warehouses and lofts, featuring exposed brick, metal accents, and concrete floors. Furniture is often a blend of reclaimed wood and metal with a raw, edgy look. Neutral tones like gray and black dominate, with pops of vibrant color in art or textiles. 8. Coastal living room. Light and breezy, with soft blues, whites, and sandy tones. Natural textures like wicker, wood, and cotton create a relaxed, beachy vibe. Decor includes nautical elements like seashells, driftwood, or artwork featuring ocean scenes. 9. Eclectic living room. Mixes and matches different styles, colors, and textures for a unique, personalized look. Combines vintage and modern pieces, often with bold, contrasting patterns. Great for those who enjoy creativity and a sense of adventure in their decor. 10. Luxury or glam living room. Focuses on opulent materials like velvet, marble, and metallics. Features plush furniture, dramatic lighting, and elegant accessories. Jewel tones, like emerald green or royal blue, often make bold statements in this style. Each of these living room styles can be tailored to suit different preferences and needs, from cozy and relaxed to bold and artistic.